that'll do it.
Hail to the Daba, I found you!
What's wrong, Sammy? Are you okay?
You're about to become an ant!
What? How am I? I have so many questions.
No time for questions! This is the time for action! I found a stray cat. She's having kittens. We've gotta go.
Sam, but what about the dirty plates?
Sue, there's no time for it. Come on.
But this is going to be another wacky adventure. I just know it.
I really need to get a siren for my ambulance.
Where's the cat, Sammy?
She's over here. Our patient is ready. Nurse.
I'm not a nurse. And who's that guy?
This is Doctor. His name isn't important, Sue. Wait, the patient. It's our mother-to-be. She's glowing.
I thought we were dealing with a real cat.
That would be pretty messy, Sue. And I'm pretty squeamish. This way is more fun. We should probably examine the cat first. Is this thing on? I can't hear anything. Hello? Ah, my ears.
I always knew you had a loud voice.
Whatever.
So, shall we get started?
My ears are ringing. I need a doctor.
Get in line, Sam. The cat and her kittens take priority.
I'm okay. It'll take a lot more than that to stop me.
Can you help us out here?
They don't call me Dr. Sam for nothing. Actually, nobody calls me that. But how hard can it be? Anyone can do 5 years of medical school.
What's your verdict?
I'll be honest. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I guess we'd better go check up on the kittens. We can use this monitor.
I don't know, Sue. I can't find our YouTube channel on this thing.
Oh, that's because it's not a TV.
All right then. That explains a lot.
Sam, can you pass the ultrasound scanner?
Give me a second. I will conduct important research. Look at that!
Sammy, we're supposed to be examining the cat.
Oops, I just wanted to see what was inside me! I'm 100% slime!
So, how's it looking over there, Doctor? Can you see anything?
Nothing so far, but give me a sec. I'm gonna have to give it the old Sam's magic. Step away!
Sam, no, don't do that!
Wait, what's that?
Aw, we have one kitten.
Wait, I think there's more.
It's twins.
I don't think it's twins. Sue, we might need a lot of kitty litter.
Oh my, well how many are there?
500, there's 500 kittens!
Whoa, are you serious? Well, that's amazing!
How are we gonna deliver them?
It's gonna be a long day.
We'll do it for the show and for the paycheck.
Wait, you get paid for this?
This is awkward. Anyway, about those kittens?
Okay, we'll talk about this later. Just take deep breaths. In and out. Relax.
In and out. It feels pretty good.
I was talking to the cat, Sam.
Oh,
So, are you ready to do this, Doc? Let's get started.
Step aside, I've got this.
Sam? I wouldn't do that.
Come on, Sue. How bad can it be? This was a mistake. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Sam, are you okay?
I don't feel so good.
I think the kittens are ready to meet the world.
You go ahead, Sue. I'll supervise from over here.
Here they come. It's so exciting. They look so cute. Just like their mommy. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Sue. That really means a lot to me.
Huh? I was talking to the cat, Sam.
Oh, right. That makes more sense.
There's still a lot more kittens to come. How many is that?
A lot, Sue. Let's just say there's a whole lot of them.
This is taking a long time. There must be an easier way.
I think I have an idea, but it's unconventional.
I'm willing to try anything at this stage.
Give the cat a good shake, trust me.
Okay, here it goes. Wow! It's working. Ooh, I think it's the last one.
498, 499, and 500 kittens!
Yes, finally! We did it! Great job, Sammy. And the other doctor.
So now we need to name them. I have a couple of variants. Sam Jr., SJ.
You know, Sam, the kittens will need somewhere to stay. Let's build them a kitty home.
I knew it! It's crafting time!
Will you give me a hand here?
I'm way ahead of you. I'm just sketching up my plans.
but I've already started.
I'm thinking an indoor pool, a sauna, and a walk-in wardrobe for the kitten collars.
Haha, I admire your ambition, but I was hoping to keep it simple.
All right. That can work too.
I'm glad we could come to a compromise. In the meantime, you can make something for the kittens to play with.
To understand the kittens, I need to think like a kitten. Meow! I decided on a ball of string. It's a kitten classic. Wait, there's more. I want them to have the best time ever. You know, Sue, it doesn't have the wow factor. We need to color it.
Now let's make these more sturdy. We can tape them over.
I can help with this part.
We make a great team, Sam.
It's got me, Sue. Save yourself, stupid tape.
Need a little help over there?
I did a semester at an escapology camp. I can do this.
Okay then, I believe in you. This'll be nice and cozy.
Ta-da! I told you I could escape.
I never doubted you. Can you finish the tower then? And I'll work on the toys. This should keep those kitties busy.
Ooh, it's a mighty fine tower. I hope they're not scared of heights.
This will be so relaxing for the kittens. What do you think, Sam? Do you think they will like it?
It'll be playtime all the time.
All the playtime must be thirsty work. I think the kittens need a drink. Here are the bowls. And I've got the milk! Come on, kitties, drink up. And I just got an idea. Let's make a bed for the kittens as well. Here you go. This cozy sleeping place can fit in all our kittens. Aw, I could use a cat nap too. Haha, sweet dreams, fluffy babies. Sleep tight. Wow, what a day!
Yeah, who thought looking after kittens could be so hard?
I'm just looking forward to this mug of tea. Oh, I forgot to put milk in it. What? How come we're all out of milk?
That's okay. I've got some milk right here.
Thanks, but I'll just go to the store. See you around, dear friends.